Number 5 gives us the data as a frequency distribution. So again, the frequency column is how many times these scores occur. So the number 3 occurs 5 times. So for the measurements, I want to find the mode, range, and mid-range by hand, and then I'll use the calculator to find the median, mean, and standard deviation. So the mode is the data item which occurs the most often, and in this case that would be 4 because that occurs 7 times, and that's the most. So 4 is the mode. The range, we need to take the highest value and subtract the lowest value. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And then for the mid-range, we need to take the lowest value and add the highest value and divide by 2. So 1 plus 7 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so for the rest of them, I want to use the calculator. And I have calculator type 1. So I want to press the Stat button, and then I want to go to Edit, and then in L1 I want to enter in the scores, and L2 I want to enter in the frequencies. And then I want to quit out, and then I want to go back into the Stat menu, and then go over to Calc and down to 1-bar stats. So I need to specify that I'm entering in a frequency distribution. So I need to tell it L1 and L2. So if I go to the second, and then if we press the Stat button, it will take us to the List menu. I can select List 1 and press Enter, and then press comma, and then go back into the List menu and select List 2, and then press Enter, and then I have my information. So the mean is going to be 4.13. The standard deviation is going to be 1.71, and the median is going to be 4. So I just need to record this information, and I'm all set.